Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install and get this program running. So first go to this website www.drmundane.in. Okay, so now we're in. So scroll down to the programming section of the website. So right now it only has one post, that is this project. So open up that project Save My Time. Alright, so over here you can read who is it meant for, what problem exactly is this program going to solve. Then you can read more about how it is going to help you, and very importantly how not to use the program, and then some features. So coming to the instructions. So first we need to download the appropriate file. So this will open a Google Drive, and there are just two files at the moment. So one of these files is for Windows 10 and the other one is for Windows 11. Just click and check. So Windows 11 64 bits, right? And this is for Windows 10 64 bits. So right now these are the only two operating systems that we are currently supporting. In case you are not sure what Windows version you have, you can just press the buttons Windows button and X, then click on System. Right over here you can see Windows 10 Home Single Language. So yes, this is a Windows 10 system. So we will download a Windows 10 file. So I have already downloaded the file. Okay, so as you noticed, this is a zip file. So we just need to extract the files. So extract all. Alright, so let's close that. Let's read the instructions again. So download the zip file, that is done. We have already unzipped. Go to this directory, dist, save my time. So click on the dist folder. Then there is the folder save my time. Over here we need to find the file called tess.exe. So run the file tess.exe. So this will install the Google Tesseract program. So just double click it. So you can just go with the default settings and install the program. Okay, so now it's done. So the next step is we need to add the path of Google Tesseract to the environment variable. So what this basically means is that we need to first find the folder where we have installed the Google Tesseract program. In case you have installed it with the default settings, it's over here in program files, Tesseract OCR. So just open that up. So this is the folder we need to add to the system path, right? So in case you don't know how to do it, just click on search, type environment. There will be one option, edit the system environment variables. So click that. Okay, so over here in the advanced settings, we have the button down at the bottom, environment variables. So click on that. Okay, so on the top we have user variables which are specific for this user, and down here these are the system variables. These are applicable for all the users. So we need to change the system users path. So click on path, edit. We need to add this new path. So you click on the directory, copy that, and go back, click on new, then paste this directory, enter, and that's it. So click OK. Okay. So that's all you had to do. So going back to the parent directory where we started. the next step that we need to do is we need to run the program. That's by running the file save my time.exe. So just look for that file. There it is. So the program takes a few seconds to load up. So don't be too hasty. Okay, and we're done. So over here on the top we have the general buttons. Then on the left we have the consultation buttons. In the middle we have investigations, and on the right we have add medicines. Okay. So the first thing I want you to do is click on the button terms of use and just read all the terms. Okay, so in case you are using this program, that means that you are consenting to these terms. Okay, so legal jargon aside, so the first thing we need to do is we need to set up the program. So you click on the setup button. This will open up another window, and over here you can add the dispensary name and the username. Then these two fields are completely optional, but the mandatory field is the path to Firefox. Okay, so this is mandatory, whereas the other two fields are optional. So first we need to create a database where we will store all this information. I already hit create. Okay, just filling in random numbers. Okay, so path to Firefox. Now we need to tell the program where we have installed the Firefox program. So in case you are not sure where it is installed, so just right click on the icon and go to properties. So this path that is written in the target field, that is the path. Okay, so just confirm it by opening the file location. You can confirm that it is actually there. Okay, everything seems fine. So it's installed in the program files Mozilla Firefox. So we can just copy this by Ctrl+C and go to the program and just hit Ctrl+V to paste it. Now click on save to save your settings. So now the program is ready to go. So the first thing we need to do is click on launch browser. So this will launch a browser which is within the program. Okay, so you don't need to open up the website separately in a browser. So the browser will open up on its own. Just wait for it. So you don't need to touch anything. It will by default open up the website chs.nic.in. Okay, so we are here. So next click on login button. When you click login, the program will automatically click on the login button and fill in the dispensary and the usernames and the captcha. Okay, so sometimes it is not accurate, so you can change the captcha, but more or less it is accurate. Okay, so you can just fill in the password and there you go. Very important setting that I have included over here is the go dark setting. Okay, so when you click this, it will install a plugin in the Firefox, and that basically makes it go dark. So even if you are not connected to the internet, this plugin will still work. Okay, so as you can see, I found that this reduces a lot of eye strain, and you can adjust the settings by clicking here. Okay, so you can switch it on, off as you like. You can even change the brightness and the contrast settings depending upon your needs. So this is very useful. In case you are going to stare at the screen for the next 6 hours, I think you better turn it dark. Finally, we have this place on top. I'll explain what it does in the features video, but for now just know that just as in the setup button, it will open up another window, and you can just place it right over here on the side. Now the most important feature is that even if you click on the browser, the window does not disappear. The rest of the program will disappear, but this window will not. So it continues to remain on top, and that is why it's called place on top. Thanks for watching.